Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So it is April 21st, 2023. Time to clock in again. And man, we just missed the setup. This would have been perfect right here. 1, 2, 3. Even this one. 1, 2, 3. You barely win, but the better one would have been, you know, this above the EMA setup right here. 1, 2, 3. So let's see what else we can find out here. Like this euro yen, we've had a trend down, trend break, retest a new low. We're a mile away from the EMA, mile away from the EMA. We've had several drop, base drop, base drop, base drop. Got to come back to the EMA at some point. It is an up day for sure. Wow. What's going on here? All right, here we come. Strong bullish candle. Closing the bottom one to the left. There we go. Mile back to the EMA. Let's get it. Three minutes. Should be coming back to this EMA. "35 seconds, final candle." All right. Good win. So you guys don't know this about me, but I love a challenge. And so, you know, I follow this guy on Twitter and Instagram, Money Trade Edge. I don't know his real name, but he be spitting some bars, okay? Like trading bars. man, every day I check out what he's posting because it's just, I mean, his posts be full of wisdom, full of knowledge, and it's all trade and stuff too. I'll be wondering, like, is he coming up with this himself, or, I mean, because he'll post like 5-6 times a day, and 4 of them would be like mind blown, you know. So I'll be like, who is this guy? You know, he be trading every day. But anyway, he had a post last week that I thought was quite interesting, and it was you know, he's been talking about just focusing in on one trade, and so he kind of put out there, hey, 30 days, one setup, you know, zero BS, 100% focus on execution, see yourself growing. And I could dig with that, because I already understood that, you know, you can make a living. Okay, listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. You can make a living off one setup. Many price action traders only focus on the second entry long. That's like their bread and butter, because it's such a high probability trade. And so for me, only trying to take 3 trades a day, you know, just picking the highest probability trades is just good wisdom. So I thought that this week I would test this out. Like, okay, you know, instead of taking, you know, let's see what we have. We have a breakout pullback, right? We got the rally base rally, right? We got the higher low, right? We got the second entry, right? And seems like I'm missing something. So anyway, so there's a few trades that we could have focused on, right? And so I kind of wanted to focus on the higher low and this new trade that I've kind of been taking, because I've been seeing it work for the longest, but I just hadn't been taking it. And so I want to add it to the course. And so I actually, more than the higher low, focused on that kind of reversal trade. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet. It probably already has a name, because it's different every time. Sometimes it's actually just a second entry long from a bigger viewpoint. So it's really a second entry long a lot of times, but it's just from such a bigger view than I normally would take it from. But man, it's been working. But anyway, so that's kind of what I focused on. That we just call it reversal trade right now. We just call it reversal. But I did that all week. So let's see the results. 1 second here. Let me get the results up. Okay, here are the results. So we did this from the 16th to the 21st, Sunday to Friday. Took 20 trades, 65%, just focusing on that one setup. There you have it. My goal always is to trade at 60%. With binary options, if you can trade at 60%, you will be making money. As you can see, I'm green all the way down. That means that everything is good. Everything is the way any trader would want it. So 20 trades, 65%. That's a good run. Also, what I want you to notice is that I was all over the board. I didn't just, you know, stick with Tesla or Pfizer or Cash, which are typically my favorites, but I tried it on everything I saw, and no problem. Which goes into another point I try to make all the time, is that price action works on any time frame, any chart, anything that has a Japanese candlestick. Price action trading works on. So as you can see, I was just looking for that particular setup on no matter what pair. Like, I don't know if I've even ever traded Facebook or Cisco, or I had another one, Euro Yen. Never even traded these ever before, ever. Twitter. So I was really testing this week, and it works. So hey, focusing in on one setup, if you're new to trading, that's a excellent strategy. Once you understand the market cycle, understand how the market works, which is what my course teaches, you got to have that piece. You got to have that piece, not just the setups, but you have to understand how the market moves. And you're just not going to get that from watching trade setups on YouTube. You're going to have to take a course or read a manual. You're going to have to learn how to truly do price action trading from somewhere. Even if you don't take my course, just seeing setups ain't going to cut it. Yeah, you're going to win some here and there, but you're going to need to understand how the market works. And then you can take that knowledge and apply it anywhere. Futures, Forex, MT4, crypto, anywhere. Regular options. You can apply price action trading anywhere once you understand how the markets move. Let me get off my soapbox. Back to this. Yes. So again, 20 trades, 65% on anything I wanted to touch. So I'm gonna run another week. I mean, with results like that, why not? Plus, I'm still trying to test it out before I add it to the course, and I need to name it because it sets up differently. I've noticed, but you saw the one in the example that actually was a second entry long from a higher time frame. So it's interesting stuff. But we're gonna keep banging those wins out, and I'm gonna keep this challenge going. We're gonna definitely go to 30 days and see what the end number is. But great start for this first week. Great start. So again, you all know I'm using PocketOption for the broker. I'll put a link in the description. Grab your demo. Try one setup, practicing one setup, see what happens. And also the course is live, it's out, and it's helping people become better traders. So I'll put a link in the description for that also. So until next time, this is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the Sutton.